The numbers on Sunday are usually low, but in the last 24 hours in LA County, 10 people died from COVID-19. That's the lowest number yet since this pandemic started. Only one of those deaths came from a skilled nursing home. But as you look at these numbers, the experts are wondering, will scenes like this force the county to take a backward step in fighting this virus?
Being a part of a protest is really no different than having an exposure at an indoor mall or even at a restaurant or at the beach.
A number of questions today at today's briefing. Will all these large crowds bring a spike to COVID-19 cases?
For public exposures, it's a risk that you need to be aware of, and then you need to take appropriate actions because you may have been in a riskier situation.
And when I asked if she agrees with the statement of New York Governor Andrew Cuomo that all protesters should assume they have been exposed and are positive and should be tested, her response?
I want to just do a little reality check, which is that we've been saying for months that everyone is probably best off assuming that they could be positive and that other people could be positive. So it's really not necessarily related to the protest.
It's too early to determine if the protest will create a spike. But according to one report, a local Los Angeles lab, which had been seeing about a 4% positivity rate in its test, reported in the last 5 days that number increased to almost 10%. But she said it's highly possible that that lab had a number of tests come from skilled nursing homes, where the positivity rate there is 11%.
The important number is the total number, the cumulative number, and that's really stayed at about 8%.
That's 8% people positive, the lowest number yet, out of more than 708,000 tested. And the hospitalization rate also at an all-time low, 11%. Numbers that are encouraging for the county. So it is looking to the possibility of opening more businesses by the end of the week, like schools, gyms, bars, summer camps.
We recognize that there are a lot of other issues that come into play, but we also recognize that the longer we stay closed, knowing that we actually can do it in a responsible way with social distancing and encouraging people to wear face cloth coverings, that we need to get back to work.
The reopening is challenging, and we're still in the midst of a pandemic.
So as the protests are expected to continue, so is the county plan to reopen more of the economy. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, CBS 2 News.